to fix EA app not launching on PC. So hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix EA application not launching on your PC or laptop. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open any type of preferred browser. Here in my case I am using Google Chrome. Then here simply search for EA support. Here simply search for it. Then here go to the first site. Now here wait for a few seconds. Then here on the bottom right corner you can see an chatbot. It is like a robot, so simply click onto it. Then here simply ask the question or simply describe your problem that you were dealing with. Simply let's write application not launching on PC. So simply click on send button. Now here wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it will simply provide the solution to your problem. So in this very simple way you could solve your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.